Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to change clock icon on your iPhone home screen and how you can do it. So right now, as you can see, this is the default clock icon, and if you wanted to change it, this is what you have to do. And the first and foremost step is all about, you just need to go over here on the clock icon. You have to press and hold over here like this. So you'll be having this option. And from here, as you can see, you have to change this one to over here. So you need to just tap over here on this. And right now, as you can see, the clock icon is changed to this. So this is how we can do it as a basic one. And also most probably, this is a default one of a kind of a clock. But if you wanted to change more kind of phones or anything, you wanted to keep on changing the clock for various options. And for that, what you need to do is, if you just go over here, press and hold like this, you'll be getting this option. And from here, you have to go to edit home screen. And as you can see right now, the app starts jiggling. And what you need to do is, you have to go over here, tap on the edit. And there is an option called add widget. So just tap on add widget. And right now, what you need to do is, this is where you have to take care of, because for me, the reason is why here the clock icon appears is I am using this for, I'm keep on changing it and recently used it. But for the first time, if you're doing this, if you scroll it over here like this, you'll be able to see the clock icon here. And if you don't find it, so you need to just go over here, search for clock icon like this, and you have to tap on it. So right now we have all these kind of available phones and different designs. That's if you scroll it down like this is. And we have many designs over here like this. As you can see, we have all these things. Now what you need to do is, for example, if you like this, I'll keep this as it is, I'll keep this one. So what you need to do is, you just need to go over here, tap on add widget. So over here, as you can see, it is there. So if you tap over here on the home screen, you can see right now we have these two clocks, and you can remove this if you wanted. You can just press and hold, you can remove it. Or if you wanted to keep the two clocks, one is the new one and the other older version, you can just go over here, press and hold it. Now from here, you have to just tap on this one, so it will change it into the older version here. And we have another one as a widget, a separate clock is there. And if you wanted to remove it, you just need to go over here, press and hold like this, and you can go for remove widget, so it will be gone from here. So this is how we can change the clock icon on your iPhone, or you can keep two clocks at the same time, and how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.